important thing is mindset level. I can tell you, basically, as much as you will be positive, right? So it is higher chances you will get that things in place. You will attract these things in place. So, in mindset level is basically there is a concept of a frequency and something we call as maybe you heard about the power of belief, faith, or maybe law of attraction. Maybe something you heard about book called as a secret as well, right? There is a book called as a law of attraction, right? So these things will also we will use it, correct, at mindset level. So let's say I wanted to get this particular opportunities on after 4 months or 6 months, right? So we should not have any doubt in our mind that I will get it or not, right? We have means we need to have a strong belief and faith that yes, I will get it at any cost. Either it is from how I will get it, who will provide this opportunity, this company, or maybe some other consultant, or through who will provide this opportunity, offer these things. We should not have any doubt on it. I will get it at any cost. Correct. So, but the problem is that that is a very simple statement. I will get this opportunity, but your mind will not start believing it. If I will say, okay, I will get that offer for 35 lakhs. So in that case, I will get it this 35? Because my mind will say how? Because my current, I don't have any such, I didn't apply it anywhere. I didn't work with anything. And nobody has approached to me for this particular role. How I will get it? So it is very difficult. Your subconscious mind will start rejecting in it, and it will always provide a question for how. Correct. So then we should not go into that process for a how from your side. This how will also figure out by your subconscious mind only. Once you start believing in it, that I will get it, you will get the idea. So there is a concept for intelligence as well as the information. So our conscious mind, once you are giving your answer from your conscious mind, you are processing information and you are trying to figure out based on your information, right? Because as you have the limited information for offers and details and whatever round and around with you. But on top of it, that you are not able to connect in things like that. But there is a concept of intelligence in that scenario, that you will get these ideas from your subconscious mind itself. How you can get it and how you will basically achieve your goals. So you will start get idea also, and once you have very strong belief for that, you will get it. You will have so much energy to work, and you can say learning also. So you will not feel any tiredness. If you will work on 11 o'clock in the night, then you will not feel tiredness. If you work on in the morning, 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning, you will not feel any tiredness, right? Because you will have a much more, you will enjoy with the process, and you will enjoy with this learning and whatever things you are doing. So the thing is that there is a concept of thoughts, beliefs, feeling, and the actions. So there is a basically FTBA. So there is a feeling. So what type of feelings you have for your goal? What are the thoughts is coming, right? So if you have fearful thoughts, if you have doubtful thoughts, you can think like this will not going to work. Very simple statement. If you have a feeling like this, something like a jealousy, if you have a feeling like fearness, ignorance, these kind of feelings, not good feelings like that, always you are into a negative, you can say, right? So there is a different types of negative feelings, right? Fear is one, right? Jealousy is another thing is like that, right? Then irritations, right? Laziness. So there are a different type of these feelings. But if you have a little bit good feelings, correct, when you are feeling very positive, when we are feeling very energetic, right? So you will have a good thoughts are keep coming, correct? So when you have a good feelings, then you will have a good thoughts, then your belief will also will have a good you can say working as a good positions, and then you will have very good beliefs, correct? And then basically once you have a good beliefs, then there is a action. So whatever actions is required and whatever work you are doing towards your goal, correct? So if you are, let's say, searching for a job, so in that scenario, what